What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Doing some kind of teriyaki tonight. I braised this beef last night in apple juice. And then we got garlic and ginger there. A couple onions on top. We got mushrooms and we got some green peppers or green onion over here. And then some onions right here. So yeah, let's get started. This beef's not going to take very long, so I'm going to throw that in the last because it's already fully cooked and delicious. So watch. So the garlic and the ginger, I put a little bit of sesame oil in there and some olive oil in there. Got the garlic and ginger and the two little tiny pieces of onion in there. Watch. And then in with the onion. So sweat those onions down. Get them coated in the garlic and the ginger. And I put a little salt and pepper in there too. And the oil. And we're going in with the mushrooms next. Mushrooms in. Check those out. Stir it around. Get it coated in all the greatness in there. And a little dash of this. This is the thin teriyaki sauce. There you go. Put the lid on, let it steam up a little bit. Yeah. And then I threw the beef in there and the rest of the onions I had. And here we are now. Doesn't that look awesome? Yeah. And there we have it, coming right along. Just make sure the meat's all heated up. I did turn it down from when I started. I had it at medium to begin with, and then I turned it down to lower than that, like a 4 from a 6. Give it a few more minutes, and then you're ready to plate. And there it is on the plate so far. But watch this. And then some sesame seeds. And the green onions. Yeah. Check it out. Looks so fucking good. I'm gonna try it right now. Yeah, you guys. It's fucking amazing. Put a little more teriyaki sauce in there and mix it all up. Bam! There you go. Fucking awesome. Alright. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Please smash that like button. Please smash that subscribe button as well. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're doing for dinner. Alright, guys. You're amazing. I love you. Chronic Eats out. Peace.